Harwin's Gecko-SL 1.25mm pitch horizontal connectors are ideally suited for stacking and cable mating. The Gecko-SL connectors are an ideal choice for size, weight, power, and cost optimization. They are up to 45% smaller and up to 75% lighter than existing industry standard equivalents. For increased design flexibility, the Gecko-SL range has been expanded to include horizontal configurations. This range expansion brings the additional option of a male through-board connector at right angles to the PCB. Save space above the PCB by routing the mating cable sideways or join the PCBs together with a 90-degree connection, ideal for motherboard-to-daughterboard. The Gecko-SL 1.25mm pitch connector is available in pin counts up to 50 and is fully compatible with the rest of the Gecko-SL range.